Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you the correct answer of the daily quiz February 4th in XENEA Wallet. First of all, click claim your daily reward. Here you see I got 114 gems. Now click on missions, click on start quiz, click on start quiz. Here you see February 4th, a question and total 4 options. Now I will provide you the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option. Select on it and click on submit button. Here you see correct, you got 100 gems. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.